Guys, I've heard a lot about this, the Meghan Markle pop sound during this dog video. Thank you, Nick, for providing the timestamp and the video for this. So let's check it out. My opinion and thoughts on this might be different than many of yours, but that is fine. I'm welcome different opinions and hearing your thoughts and changing my mind. So let's check it out.
Oh my gosh. Went up for adoption today. Amy, did you hear that?
Look at that dog. The dog looks terrified, but you know, it's just the preamble. Now here we're gonna go. She's gonna stand up. Sorry, let me get that a little better. Straight through. So she's squatting here. Obviously, I've never been pregnant, so I don't know. All right, there was that little pop. Let's see that one more time.
Went up for adoption today. Amy, did you hear that?
I'm gonna give you a stop. Now watch everyone's reaction. So here's my problem with this theory. No one that's near Meghan reacts whatsoever to this popping sound, right? Now, we're hearing it from, it sounds like more left-leaning. To be fair, I'm only wearing the one side, so, but when I've heard it the other way as well, with both headphones, so we're catching this noise on some microphone back here by the camera. So if that noise is originating from Meghan's abdomen area, it should be louder near those people, right? So you would think that they would have some tiny reaction to the noise, even if it's the tiniest thing. But look, nothing. So these people, to me, it seems like they did not hear that noise. So if we're hearing it caught on this mic that is near this camera, because we could hear their voices are a bit tinny and they're quieter, right? And that noise is louder. So for that noise to have originated the same place where Meghan's voice is originating, it would have to have been very loud for us to catch it to that volume, and they have zero reaction to it. So then we'd have to say, okay, this would have to be this extremely loud noise because they're talking pretty loud and it's louder than their voices because none of them are wearing mics. Then is everyone there in on it as well? Like they've been coached to not have any reaction to the noise, like even not a non-voluntary reaction. So to me, I think that's just looking for something. I don't think there was any popping noise from her belly. I've also seen there's like her stomach shaking, which to me, if there is something hard that's popping, like it's air or it's rubbery, it shouldn't shake. So to me, it seems like some of this is looking for something and finding it when you look for it, which you see from time to time. But I'm very welcome to your opposing opinions. Let me know what your thoughts are. Obviously, I've never been pregnant, so you've talked about her positioning. Thank you, and give me your thoughts. I'm well open to changing my mind. Take care.